We're currently at Centurion, Tishfield. So we're doing the first car for the day, and yeah, today I'm not so like that, guys. So yeah, but we'll try our best. So we're doing the Cambelt replacement, because yeah, the Cambelt was due for replacement. They took it for service, but then yeah, the price was crazy at VW, guys. So we're replacing that Cambelt. They've done the service, but we're just gonna do the Cambelt. And apparently this thing was changed at VW, the plugs and the air filter, but it's not done. So we're gonna do the plugs for them as well, and the air filter. So as always, guys, we use original VW parts. We've got the spark plugs, tensioner, and the roller, and the Cambelt, and we took out the throttle body for them and clean it. It's nice and clean now, together with this booster pipe. And also we will flush the coolant system for them. We're gonna put new coolant. So yeah, that's it, guys. Where it works, you can try us anytime. We're doing the Cambelt service plus the spark plugs and the air filter, and yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Where it works, you can try us anytime. Thank you.